chemical filter media with two unique filtering sides that combine to provide thorough chemical filtration. Polyester side filters out fine debris and contaminants. Carbon side filters out harmful liquid substances, colorants and odors. Suitable for freshwater, saltwater or reptile environments. Includes two cartridges designed for use with the Fluvial U4 underwater filter. Fluval U4 polycarb cartridges has two unique filtering sides that combine to provide thorough chemical filtration, the crucial second stage in the filtration process. The polyester filter pad side filters out fine debris and contaminants. The carbon side filters out harmful liquid substances, colorants and odors. The Fluval polycarb cartridge helps keep your aquarium healthy and clean. For more fish tank accessories, check out other Fluval products including aquarium filters, aquarium heaters, aquarium air pumps, aquarium lights, aquarium rocks, aquarium thermometers and aquarium stands. Fluval has a wide variety of products that are perfect for your pet fish to enjoy in any large fish tank, small fish tank, saltwater tank or freshwater tank. Fluval broke onto the aquatic scene in 1975 by introducing the world's first three-stage filter with synchronous motor technology, a breakthrough that is still applied in the industry today. Since then, Fluval has built a legacy around this pioneering spirit, relentlessly adapting in a changing world to launch innovative aquarium products that remain at the forefront of technology, and which set the bar in quality, style and functionality. Fluval's mission is not just about building products that mimic the natural world, but inspiring aquarists of all skill levels to enjoy and respect the hobby for generations to come. Top reviews from the United States. Can be used in the Accent model filter. I didn't like the renewal pack you had to purchase for the Fluval Accent aquarium just to get a replacement filter. I don't think there's but one filter and a bottle of bio which I don't need. Did a little research and I ordered these to replace the originals and they work fine. The only thing that was different is these filters don't have the extension on the top to pull them out. Other than that they fit and work fine in my Fluval Accent 25-gallon aquarium setup that came with its own filter.